Hello and good afternoon. We are here with everything that you need to know right before the stock market rings the bell. A General Motors and LG Energy Solution $2.3 billion joint venture battery production plant in Ohio has begun production. The 2.8 million square foot Ulitium Cell LLC plant is the first of at least 4 plants planned in the US by the joint venture to supply General Motors electric vehicles. The Warren plant, which was announced in 2019, has more than 800 employees and is preparing to further ramp up production. Ulitium plans to have 1,300 workers by next year when it reaches full capacity. Ulitium is also building a $2.3 billion plant in Spring Hill, Tennessee, to be completed by the end of 2023. Legislation signed by President Joe Biden imposes new sourcing rules on battery components and critical minerals for EVs to be eligible for $7,500 tax credit effective January 1st. Nvidia Corp fell in late trading hours after warning that new rules governing the export of artificial intelligence chips to China may affect hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue. The stock dropped as much as 5.1% in extended trading following the disclosure that Nvidia's A100 and forthcoming H100 products will require approval from the US government before they can be sold to Chinese customers. The US is concerned that these processors may be used by the military, Nvidia said in the regulatory filing on Wednesday. Nvidia is already facing a sales slump triggered by lower demand for personal computers. If the company doesn't get permission to sell the chips into China, $400 million in sales may be hurt. That represents about 6.8% of revenue in the fiscal third quarter. On Wednesday morning, in a SEC filing and a press release ahead of an investor presentation, Bed Bath & Beyond outlined plans to issue more stocks, close 150 stores and fire 20% of its staff as the retailer looks to stem the bleeding from a collapse in sales. Shares of the retailer were down more than 21% as of the market closes on Wednesday. The company said it received commitments of $500 million in additional financing, bringing the current liquidity to $100 billion, and also filed with the SEC to sell up to 12 million additional shares of common stocks. Wednesday's presentation from the company comes amid recent report the struggling company has hired Kirkland & Ellis, known best for their restructuring and bankruptcy work, to help manage its debt load. This is it. That's all we have for you today. Soon Wall Street bell will ring and a new trading day will start. We are MEXEM TV and we will be here same time, same place in this next trading day. Goodbye.